Okay, this question is a bit complicated. So whatever we have done is we just write whatever information is given in the question. The only two important things which I ask you to list out is you must write down the volume of this particular globe, which is a sphere. Likewise, the area, the surface area. Why? Because it's mentioned the volume of the air is pumped in. Likewise, they need to find out the rate of change of the area. So I'm going to zoom in into two parts. First part. This is my first part. If the volume of the volume formula is given, what must I do to the volume formula? Differentiate what? Volume with respect to, what's the unknown here? R. So if I differentiate now, I should get this. Okay, now take a look at these three. My dV dt, my dr dt, which I do not know, and my dV dr. Can you form the connected rate of change, the chain rule now? Okay, I give you some time to do it. Always start with the one that does not concern any time, which is dV dr. Numerator with respect to time on the left. Denominator with respect to time on the right. Now, fill in the necessary information. Sorry. Okay, the good thing is the radius is already been given. Then you can find the rate of change of your radius. In this case, will be centimeter per second. But I always read the question carefully. Did they say we must put it in exact form? No. Then you can press a calculator. What's the answer? 1 over 32 pi. Okay? I like the way Noshang give me the answer. He prefers it in exact form, which I think is better. Then I don't need to deal with any decimal. Okay? But even if you write in decimal, remember to give it to 3SF. If I were to continue doing part 2, alright, I will still use the connected rate of change, the chain rule. I need to find the rate of change of the surface area. And Luffy has told me a very good thing, which I want to highlight to you. Where does the dr dt comes from? It comes from part 1. So if your part 1 you cannot do, are you able to do part 2? I don't think so. And why is it I like Nosham's answer? Yes, exact. And do you realize that the pi I can neutralize off and cancel? Alright, and your answer will end up as is it 5? But what is the unit of measurement? cm square per second. Okay, this is one of the more complicated questions where they link part 1 and part 2 together because the area and the volume will all be interconnected. Alright?